Hey everyone, today we are solving another LeetCode question, question number 2520. Count the digit that divide a number. A simple but interesting math problem from LeetCode. First, we will understand the question, we will read and understand it, then we will go to our problem understanding. Then we will discuss the brute force idea, how many possibles we are there to solve this question, and then we will try them, and then approach and then the code. So first read the question. Given an integer num1, return the number of digits in num that divide num. An integer val divides nums if num modulus value equals to 0. Okay, so it's a simple question in which we simply a number is given, we have to check if it is divisible by itself or not. Like number 7, output 1. Why output 1? Because 7 divides itself, hence the answer is 1. 7 cannot be divisible by 7, then the answer is 1. Okay, if you don't get this, let's discuss the example 2. 1 to 1. The output is 2. Why? Because in 1 to 1, there are two 1 and a 2. 1 to 1 is divisible by 1, as you can see, divisible by 1, but not by 2. Since 1 occurs twice, 1 is occurred twice, by digit, uh, we will return 2, because there is 2 1, so we will return 2 output. In this same also 1 2 4 8 divisible by all its digits. It is divisible by 1, divisible by 2, divisible by 4, divisible by 8. Hence the answer is 4, because it is divisible by all 4 digits. So what's the constants? 1 is less than equals to num, less than equals to 10 10 to the power 9. Num does not contain 0 as 1 of. So I hope you understand the question. We given a number, we need to count how many digits of the number divided by the number completely. Okay. Next. So let's discuss about the brute forces idea. Are possible ways. What are the possible ways? First, convert number into string. Common thought. We can convert the number into a string and then we will count. Second, traverse every character. We can traverse every character. Third, convert character back into digit. We can convert the character back into digit. Fourth is check divisibility. Okay, this works. But since this is a digit manipulation problem, we can solve it directly using math operation. It's not necessary to solve using any function and all. We can use directly solve it using math operation. So what will be our optimized approach? We use modulo and division, the math operation. We will use our math operation, modulo, modulus and division. Why? We use it because modulo 10, because of using, I can show you here, because modulus 10 helps to helps to uh, extract helps to extract the last digit of anything, and using division by 10, it helps to remove the last digit. This avoid string conversion and keep the solution cleaner. Okay, let's go to our try run. Okay, we will try run here only, so no tab switching and all. Okay, let's try. We have for example, we have given num equals to 1 2 4 8. Okay. Okay, what is the original? We have stored in num original equals to 1 2 4 8. It's the original. Okay. So what will be our step 1? What will be our step 1? Ah, so step 1 is, let's take the last digit. When we divide digit digit equals to 8. Why? Digit equals to 8. Why? When we divide 1 to 4 8, that 1 to 4 8, when will we do modulus by 8? Because we have to check the divisibility of every digit. Equals to, answer is 0. So our count, we use count plus plus. Our count is equals to 1. Okay. Step 2, let's take the digit equals to 4. Then we will divide it, modulus of 4. Then the answer is 0, and count is increased by 2. Then the step 3, digit equals to 2. Then the 1 2 4 8, then it is modulus using 2, then the answer is 0. And now the count is increased to 3. Next step 4, digit equals to 1 1 2 4 8, modulus 1 equals to 0 equals to 0. Now the count is increased to 4. Okay. So what's our final answer? You can see 4, last count is 4. So the final answer is 4. I hope you understand all this using driving. This will be our driver. Let's copy this and paste it above the question. Okay. Okay. Now we will start with our main code. I store original number because I will store original number because the num will change during traversal. So we have to store it somewhere. Int original equals to num. And int count for the starting. Int count, let the default be 0. Okay. We'll use while loop because we have to check again and again and again. While loop. Num is smaller than 0. Then I int digit. Okay. We will use modulus 10. We will use modulus 10 to extract the last digit. Int digit equals to num modulus 10. Okay. Now we will use our if condition and check the divisibility. So use if original modulus digit equals to 0. Okay. If divisible, uh, then we will increase it count to count plus 1. So we can write count plus 1. Okay. Now the final divisible. Now finally division by 10. We use division by 10. Why? We have discussed earlier, because to remove the last digit and take the another digit. So now okay. Now we will finally return the final answer. So I hope you understand this. Firstly, this num. What is the number? 1 to 4. 1 to 4 is modulus 10. What will it do? It take the last digit 8. Then it will divide. Then if it is equals to 0, then the count is increased to 1. Okay. Then it will again loop down. Then it will check again. And now it is take bro. When it is count increased to 1, then it will divide by 10 to remove the last letter 8. After removing the last letter, the num is remain 1 to 4. Then again modulus 10, it will take last digit 4 because 8 is already removed. 4, then it is divided by 4. Check again equals to 0. Counting again increase, then it will become 2. Then divide by 10. 4 is removed. Then only 1 and 2 is remaining. Modulus 10, take the last digit 2. Check again. If equals to 0, count plus 1 plus, then it become count equals to 3. Okay, then remove the digit 1 or remaining 1 for the last digit 4. Then the loop is over and the count is returned. So last count is 4. So our output will be 4 in this question. Let's check our test cases quickly. Okay, as you can see 7 output 1. In this 1 to 1 output 2. In this num 3 1 to 4 8. Our output is 4 as expected. So I hope you understand this. Let's quickly submit this and move. We will discuss the next question. Okay, you can see our runtime is also 0 ms, time complexity and space complexity. Okay, this was a great beginner friendly manipulation problem. Okay, I hope you understand this thoroughly. follow for more daily DSA problem. I have given my GitHub and all accounts link in my description. You can check it out. Take care. Bye bye.